Well, today is the 10th of January 2026, and I happen to come with this young girl of say 21 years old at the South Goa police station, Margaon police station. And आम्ही डायरेक्टली अपॉइंटमेंट घेतली आमच्या जो SP आसा बाब संतोष देसाई ताजे कडेन अपॉइंटमेंट घेतली आनी it was really kind enough of him that he took me immediately inside along with the victim and her family. Now, in short, in brief, सांगतले 25th November ताजो 21 बर्थडे जाल्लो and you know आमी सगळीं we love to celebrate our 21st birthdays, and this girl also wanted to celebrate her 21st birthday with her family, friends, relatives and neighbors, and of course I was also invited for that birthday. आणि कितें जालें म्हणल्यार बर्थडे जालो, she had worn a very beautiful gown, and you know today's youth they love designing gowns घालपाक, and it was really decent enough what she had worn. But then few days after 2-3 days when the photos they uploaded on the Facebook or say Insta, everyone has that birthday celebration when she uploaded, and even her hairstylist who had done a hairstyle beautifully and a hair and a face makeup, she had also had posted on this thing on the Facebook and Insta. So there were this two posts which came, deliberately post घातले कोणे एक by the name of, we don't know whether that person exists or is fake, but Diodita Pasheko म्हणून एकल्यान घातले. दुसरे म्हणटा ते गॉड्स लवर म्हणून हे पळय Diodita Pashekon घातले, ओके ऑन इंस्टा एंड फेसबूक. आनी दुसरे म्हणटा ते पळय कितले व्हडले पळय, आनी दुसरे म्हणटा ते गॉड्स लवर म्हणून हेणे एक घातले. आणि घातले म्हणल्यार कितें डेरोगेटरी सारकें, लायक you are so cheap, you so cheap dress like a prostitute, characterless, useless, half naked, full naked, आणि इतले डेरोगेटरी घातल्या that this female who is from Ponda, who celebrated a birthday from Ponda, I would not like to remove her name also आणि काय पत्ता दिवपाना, बट इतले सांगतले की this types of हे कंप्लेन आमी केल्या by the victim for a horrifying campaign of targeting, and she's been harassed, public shaming केल्लें आसा, moral degradation केल्लें आसा, mental torture ताका केल्लो आसा, and this all knows that this amounts to outraging or modesty, of any individual, and in the way it is put, like we don't know who are these people who are hiding behind these faces, कोण आसा ते faceless individuals hiding behind the scene. आणि दुसरे म्हणटा ते इतले डिस्टर्बिंग मेसेजीस घातिल्ल्यो आसा, ताजेर एब्युजीव घातिल्ले आसा, आणि हे जे इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट जे मनशाचे आसा जावं ते फेसबूक अकाउंट आसा तो आमी पोंडा पुलीस स्टेशनाकय दिल्ली आसा कंप्लेन. तशेंच नेक्स्ट डे आय टोल्ड हिम टू गो टू द सायबर क्रायमाकय कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा. आतां सिन्स नथींग वॉज हॅपनिंग, आय वॉज फोर्स्ड टू कम विथ हर to meet the SP, that is Santosh Bab, because it is nothing. पळय लोकांक कितें दिसतलें कोणी घालता आयज काल फेसबुकार, कोणी मलायन करपाक सोदता, डिफेंड करपाक सोदता, पूण त्या मनशान चिंतपाक जाय ही यंग चलयो ज्यो आसा पळय से आमकां एक डेमोक्रेटीक रायट आसा, आमकां कॉन्स्टिट्युशनान दिल्लें आसा, वी हॅव रायट टू ड्रेस अप द वे वी वॉन्ट. She was not with a bikini, or she was not half naked, she was wearing a beautiful gown, that gown cost how much go? 15,000 gown, beautiful gown. आणि इट इज बीन लायक a trauma for the फॅमिलीक सगळ्यांक डिस्टर्बन्स करून वयल्या, कित्याक तें डिस्टर्ब जाल्लें आसा. A graduate who had just passed, her doors were opening, she's gone into mental torture and depression. From that time till date she's lost it. आणि आमी सांगला त्या भशेन फिल्थी ऑब्सीन इंडिसंट लँग्वेज यूज केल्ली आसा ह्या मनशान, आनी इतले पोस्ट केल्ले आसा इंस्टाग्रामाचेर आनी फेसबुकाचेर. वायट दिसता की आमकांय भुरगीं आसा, तूं कोणाक घालूंक सोदता, कोणी जावं बाबा तूं कोणीय घालूं, तुका कोणशें आसा तूं चीप, तुका रायट ना म्हणपाक. सो चीप ड्रेस, प्रॉस्टिट्यूट, कॅरेक्टरलेस गर्ल, तूं तुज्या भुरग्याचें पळय, तूं तुज्या चलयांक भेट दी. दीस इज वॉट हॅपन्स. आमी आमचें सोडून दुसऱ्याचे दोळ्यांतली कुसां काडपाक वयतात. Her family is proud of her, her parents were proud of her, aunts were proud, uncles were proud, neighbors. This is wrong. आणि म्हणटा ते भाशेन हांव म्हणटा इतलेच स्टॉप जावना, इतले जावन देखून इतले इंडियन्स करून आनी एक्ट्स ऑफ पब्लीक शेमिंग हॅरेसमेंट करून पोस्टींग एब्युजीव घालून देखून त्या भुरग्यान कितें केलें, ही शेअर्ड ताजें कितें केलें अंडर द इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबूक पोस्ट शेअर्ड बाय अ फ्रेंड ऑफ द अंडरसाइड, आनी फ्रेंडाकूय शेअर केलें, आनी हे सगळें मॅच जाल्लें आसा. आनी this is not only for her, even the makeup artist and the hair artist who is a professional in South Goa, number one, ताजे देखून डिफेम केल्ले आसा. सो आमी ही सायबर क्रायमाक आनी हेंगाय केल्ली आसा. बट हितून सेक्शन्स घातिल्ले आसा हांव तें सांगूंक सोदतां. आमकां एफआयआर जाल्ली जाय. संतोष बाब जो SP आसा सावथाचो, he has spoken to the PI of Ponda. He has given him clear instructions. He told, in front of me he called, he told the PI that Advocate Pratima Kutino along with the victim and the family is here, and gave the details and told them, instructed them to go and meet him and see that the FIR is done. आणि आमकां जाय ही register जाल्ली आणि complaint of constitute cognizable offences under section 75/1 I of the Bharatiya BNS 2023 चे एक्टा प्रमाणे सेक्शन 78 ऑफ BNS 2023 सेक्शन 79 BNS ऑफ 2023 लागचे म्हणून. बिकॉज हे जे आसा इट इज अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेन्स अंडर सेक्शन 67A ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजी एक्ट 2000. आणि आमी हे सगळे दिल्ले आसा. हांव मागता जाता तितले बेगीन पोंडा पुलीस स्टेशनाक जो PI आसा तेणी हे मॅटर जे आसा हे आमी सगळे अटॅच केल्ले आसा. कंप्लेंट्स आनी सगळे कॉमेंट्स फूल धर्टी कॉमेंट जे पास केल्ले आसात दॅट FIR बेगीन जावचे आनी हे जो मनीस आसा ताका सोदून काडचो हाडचो आनी कितें पनिशमेंट आसा ते ताका दिवचें. कित्याक दीस इज नॉट ओन्ली अबाउट वन यंग गर्ल, दीस इज अबाउट मेनी गर्ल्स एंड वुमन. जायते जाणां जे असतात पळय हू आर sick in their minds, I can call them psycho, sick in their minds, they believe in doing this. बरो मनीस कोण करपाना. सो हांव मागता की जस्टीस ताका मेळटली म्हणून. एंड वी आर फॉलोईंग अप इट. थँक्यू.